Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make the triangle ring. So let's do it. First, let me lay it out for you. We will make an outline for the triangle ring, and after that we will use the sweep function to actually make it into the ring. Alright, click on top, sketch, top view, and let's begin. So it is a triangle ring, so it makes sense that we will have a triangle as a base of our ring, right? And it will be an equilateral triangle. Alright, now we will use this function here where it has like a center and an arc. Here you go 1, here you go 2, and here you go 3. Now let's draw some support lines for our triangle. Here you go. All of those lines must be equal to each other, and it will allow us to attach those points to those lines and maintain the symmetry. Now let's also attach them to their respective sides. And see how they are attached. Alright, this one looks fine. Let's make sure that they are tangent to their planes. So what it does, it allows us to have a smooth curve. Alright, and let's also make them equal. So this one and this one, this one and this one. And now what we left to do for us is just to set from the center to here at 0.6 inches. And here we go. Now what we will do, we will just remove some lines with using a trim function. So removing those lines. Actually, before we do that, I wanted to see what this new function does. Oh, it extends the line, great. Anyway, moving back to our trim line. We don't need that, neither that, neither that, neither that, neither that, neither that. It would be an issue right here if we left it like this without in another CAD drawing programs. But here, even though we remove this outside geometry, we are still good, because Onshape allow us to leave the sketch as it is with all of the geometries locked in when we delete them. Other programs will show you an error and show you there is like a multiple degrees of freedom, meaning that you can move this around. So let's go back and click OK. Now, this sketch is just an outline, right? So what we need to do next, we need to create a new sketch in a plane perpendicular to the line. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna create a circle, and that circle will be a solid 4 millimeters. Click OK. And now what we're gonna do, or actually let's even make it 5. Not 5 inches, 5 millimeters. Great. Now what we will use a sweep function. So we pick the face first, then we pick the sweep path. And here you go. We created our triangular ring. Now let's just change the color of it to something bright and cool, like red. Click OK. We can hide our origin and the axis, and here you go. Alright, thank you and have a great day.